So we landed, and we landed an hour and a half ago, but it's like pouring, and I guess there's lightning, so they're like, oh, they can't send our bags on the thing lane. So we here waiting until they can, you know, send it. I don't understand, because it's only gonna get worse. Like, it's literally pouring, and according to the weather on my phone, it's gonna get worse. So I don't get the purpose of that. But yeah, we're waiting. So yeah, I'll let y'all know when we get to the hotel. Once we get to the hotel, I'll let y'all know where I'm at. Alright guys, so it is 2:51 and we just got our luggage and we're at the car rental place. About to get our car so that we can go to the hotel. We're hungry. We're tired. We want to lay down. We're not hungry. We're hangry. Yeah. So that's what we're doing right now. This is the we're now. But in a couple days we're going on a cruise and we're gonna pick that up. That's why we're getting a rental car. But yeah. Hey guys, welcome to my room. Come on in, come on in. Let me show you guys. So right here's the front door. Yeah, I'm gonna take you this way. There's our sink with, you know, the light. Oh, I said okay. You know, this is cute. This is cute. Yeah. Over here we have a little closet to put stuff in. Yeah. And over here is the bathroom. Cute shower, cute little shower. You know. Over here, so we use the toilet. Then I'm gonna take you guys over here. And here is our little entertainment area right here. The TV. Over here, a little cute stand. The fridge over here. And then over here is the bed. And to your right is this big mirror, as you can see. And oh, you have a balcony. Balcony. And that's our room. So yeah. Thanks for viewing our room. Come back to the next video.